Uh, Today I just want to show you how to the easiest way to remove the Rubicon radiator. Uh, I know all of you guys know the top process, like you're gonna move the fan, the hoses, and uh, this bolt on the side here, 10mm bolts between those lines. Between those lines, of course, gonna move the bracket here. 8mm bolt. 8mm bolt. First, you do have to move this up and push it to the back. Pull up and push it to the back. Just give yourself some room, and then you will see the bottom 8mm bolt. You can use a swivel like I do, 8mm. I mean, the one on the left you can use a swivel. The one on the right, if you can get good room, you can take it off with this one, or the 8mm wrench. Let's see, that one right there. Gear 8 and 10. This is a good tool to have, or that one, 8mm wrench, gear also. What if you have this tool, give you good room with that 8mm? You can see the difference here. Give you good room. That's it. I know. The bottom one is the pain in the neck. That's why I'm just making a video about only those two bottom bolts to get this radiator off. Don't be scared to push this toward the engine. You're not gonna bend anything. You're not gonna hurt anything. I forgot to tell you about this two 10mm bolts from here. I think that would pretty much it. Please like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any question, just comment below. Thanks.